Cologne, known as Köln in German, is one of the oldest cities in Germany, founded by the Romans in 38 BC as Colonia Claudia era Agrippinensium. The Cologne Cathedral, or Kölner Dom, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and took over 600 years to complete, with construction starting in 1248 and finishing in 1880. The cathedral is the tallest twin-spired church in the world, reaching a height of 157 meters, 515 feet. Cologne is famous for its unique perfume, Eau de Cologne, which originated in the city in the 18th century by Giovanni Maria Farina. The city is home to the largest carnival celebration in Germany, known as Kölner Carnival, attracting millions of visitors each year. Cologne is situated on the banks of the Rhine River, which is one of Europe's major rivers and has been a vital trade route for centuries. The city has a population of approximately 1 million people, making it the fourth largest city in Germany. Cologne is known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and museums, including the Museum Ludwig, which houses an impressive collection of modern art. The Hohenzollern Bridge, a famous landmark in Cologne, is adorned with thousands of love locks left by couples, symbolizing their love. Cologne is a media hub in Germany, often referred to as the Media City, with many television and radio stations headquartered there. The city has a rich brewing tradition, with Kölsch beer being the local specialty, a light and crisp ale served in small glasses called Stand. Cologne is home to several universities, including the University of Cologne, which is one of the oldest and largest universities in Germany. The city is home to numerous parks and green spaces, including the popular Stadtgarten and Volksgarten, offering residents and visitors places to relax. The Cologne Chocolate Museum, located on the banks of the Rhine, offers a delicious journey through the history of chocolate, complete with tastings. Cologne has over 30 museums, covering topics from Roman history to contemporary art, making it a cultural hotspot. The Cologne Carnival season begins on November 11th at 11:11 a.m. and culminates in a week of festivities leading up to Ash Wednesday. The city has a rich musical history and is home to the Gerstner Orchestra, one of the oldest orchestras in Germany. Cologne is known for its many historic churches, with over 12 Romanesque churches from the medieval period still standing. The city's old town, Altstadt, is filled with colorful buildings and cobblestone streets, offering a glimpse into Cologne's medieval past. The Rhine River Promenade is a popular destination for locals and tourists, providing stunning views of the city and the cathedral. Cologne was heavily bombed during World War II, resulting in the destruction of many historic buildings, but the cathedral survived largely intact. The city has a strong commitment to sustainability and green living, with numerous parks and green spaces throughout the urban area. The Cologne Trade Fair is one of the largest trade fairs in the world, hosting events for various industries including furniture, games, and travel. The city is known for its unique architectural style, blending modern buildings with medieval structures, particularly in the city center. Cologne is home to the largest aquarium in Germany, the Cologne Zoo, which features over 10,000 animals and is dedicated to conservation efforts. The Cologne Philharmonic Hall, opened in 1986, is renowned for its acoustics and hosts a variety of concerts and performances throughout the year. The city's Rheinhafen district is an example of successful urban redevelopment, transforming old harbor warehouses into modern residential and commercial spaces. Cologne is known for its strong football culture, being home to the 1. FC Cologne Football Club, which has a passionate fan base. The city's Christmas markets are among the most beautiful in Germany, attracting visitors with festive decorations, food, and crafts. Cologne has a strong Jewish history, with the oldest synagogue in Germany, the Cologne Synagogue, dating back to 1861. The city is an important center for higher education, with several institutions focusing on research and innovation in technology and the sciences. The Cologne Carnival, or fifth season, features elaborate costumes, parades, and street parties, showcasing the city's festive spirit. The city's public transportation system is extensive, including trams, buses, and trains, making it easy to navigate. The Columba Museum, designed by architect Peter Zumthor, is a stunning blend of modern architecture and archaeological artifacts. Cologne's chocolate industry is thriving, with many local chocolatiers creating exquisite handmade chocolates. The city has been a major trade hub since its Roman days, facilitating commerce across Europe and beyond. Cologne is known for its commitment to the arts, with numerous cultural festivals held throughout the year, including the Cologne Comedy Festival. The city has a rich literary history, being the birthplace of several famous writers and poets, including Heinrich Böll, a Nobel Prize-winning author. Cologne is a major center for information technology and digital media, with many startups and tech companies based in the city. The city's famous Kölner Dom was once the tallest building in the world until the completion of the Washington Cathedral in the USA. The Cologne Carnival has roots dating back to ancient pagan traditions, with celebrations evolving over the centuries. The city hosts the annual Cologne International Film Festival, showcasing independent films and international cinema. The Cologne Central Station is one of the busiest railway stations in Germany, serving millions of passengers each year. The city is known for its distinctive style of architecture, particularly the colorful houses along the Rhine River known as Rhenish House. Cologne has a vibrant street art scene, with numerous murals and installations adorning the city's walls.